6 tips to keep your marble floors bright, shining, and clean. Dear friends, who wouldn't admire having a beautifully shining marble in the house? Well, we all do wish. Most of us think that it is just not possible to maintain those pristine marbles for years, despite a regular floor cleaning service. However, we have brought research data for you on how to keep marble floors clean and shiny with these handy tips. Best 6 tips to keep marble floors clean and shiny. Use marble sealers. Don't let the liquid penetrate your house marble. Cover it up or seal it with a few stones like granite, soapstone, and travertine. These stones will absorb the liquid and stain very fast while keeping your marble safe. Polish marble. A marble floor polishing reduces the chances of absorbency rate to some extent while bringing out the actual color of the stone. You should often consider floor cleaning services from professionals whenever you think it is required. Clean spill immediately. Marble is highly susceptible to stains as it is sensitive to acidic substances like coffee, wine, juices, sauces, and cleaning products. If accidentally anything spills on your marble, be sure to immediately clean marble floors or else the marble surface might turn dull. Use soft sponge or cloth while cleaning. The best way to clean marble floors is by using hot water along with a formulated marble cleaner. Try not to wipe the surface with a rough or hard cloth. Instead, use a cotton cloth or a sponge for wiping them. Dust your marble floors regularly. Ensure to clean and dust your marble floors frequently with the help of a clean and dry mop. Take care of your marbles while using a vacuum cleaner as the accumulated dirt in the wheels might etch the surface. Use doormats, rugs, or runners on the floor. It is necessary to place a doormat or rug inside the house as dirt and grit get carried inside the house through shoes which can be abrasive and damage the marble tiles. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.